friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Spring Tablescape Collaboration 2025. Our host is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Please check out our amazing channel. We are to do flowers for this collab as our twist, and the guest host is Vanessa J. Please check her out, her amazing channel and the amazing people in the playlist. Okay, our twist to this spring tablescape was flowers. So we're going to start off with, of course, a white rose tablecloth. That was from Amazon. Spring is in the air. Napkins. And I guess I could have done a napkin ring to this, but they're so pretty. I hated to mess up, and so you couldn't see the pretty flowers on it. And of course, next we got our flower plate. And yes, this is a Pioneer Woman. This was from Walmart. My husband found that on clearance. This is a gold plate with, gold rim plate. That's from At Home. And the charger was from Hobby Lobby after summer last year. Silverware, which I messed up. That's from Amazon. The little glasses, those are from Hobby Lobby. Our flowers are from Hobby Lobby. The butterflies are from Walmart and Hobby Lobby for the egg. And I think I got Dollar Tree for the egg picks. Michael's for this little bunny. Walmart for the big carrots. And Walmart for the big bunnies. The table runner, that was from Amazon. And same way with the dough bowl. Michael's for the candle. And that is our spring flower twist tablescape.